Hey guys, this is Yusuf with That Tech Though, and I'm with one of the OnePlus rep, and he's going to give us a rundown on the OnePlus 6.
Yeah. So, here we have the new OnePlus 6. This one is the mirror black version. And the new features in this one, it comes with a new Snapdragon 845 processor. You can have it up to 8 gigs of RAM. And it's basically focused on speed. Everything is just on here for speed, basically. So one of the nicest features also are the cameras. Mm-hmm. The aperture here is 1.7.
1.7 in the aperture.
Yeah,
okay,
on the front camera. It's 2.0 on the selfie cam. On the rear cam, it's 16 and a 20 megapixel cam that is mixed, basically. So the 20 meg cam is basically just used for the portrait mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And we can try it.
Let's give it a go.
So if we'd like to review, slap it over here. Oh.
Demo life.
Yeah, demo life.
Okay.
Right here, and one of the new features are you don't have to take that long to look at it. So as soon as you shoot it, it's there.
Let's see. Let's have a good. Okay, well, can we do that again? But quickly take the picture and let's go to the gallery. Let's see how fast that was.
All right, let's try it again.
So much nicer.
Okay, that was actually quite fast.
That was quite fast.
Very fast, and the details actually really nice. I've got to say. That's very nice. So the main shooter is a 60 megapixel.
Yes.
And the telephoto lens is 20 megapixel.
20 megapixel. Yeah.
And the apertures are both at 1.7?
1.7.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. They kept the same battery length, kept the same dash charge system. It's all good.
And is there a reason why you still have the notch?
The notch was there for practicality reasons because we still want to keep everything that's here. So all the light proximity sensors, you know, the bigger sensor for the cam, it's just a practicality thing for us. Yeah. So we made this notch actually a little bit smaller.
I did notice that. Yeah.
Compared to the 5Ts, and it's kind of difficult to see, basically. I don't know.
Let's try to get that in.
Yeah.
Let's turn the screen on.
Yeah.
Here we go. It is exactly quite shrunk, smaller than others.
It is quite smaller.
That's a very good.
I think it was around 50% smaller, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. And I don't know if they talked. I didn't know if they heard about it, but the selfie cam will get a portrait upgrade.
Yes, it is. I think in a month's time they're trying to get a.
Yeah, I heard was a week after they start to sell.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
So with the video, we've got 4K resolution. Is it using EIS or OIS?
It is actually.
It uses both as well.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. And the display is a QHD 1080p. What sort of display are we using here?
It's an AMOLED 180, the usual that they have in all their models.
Okay,
basically.
so it's still at the 1080, okay.
And it's basically because he doesn't really see the advantage of having a 4K other than expense.
Oh, yeah. And last thing I was going to ask you, there's no micro SD card, so the storage options, what do we have?
We only have the dual SIM card. We have the storage options are 128, 256. There's also a 64 gigabit version.
Okay, fantastic. Let's have a quick beauty look around the phone.
Yeah.
This, I have to say, is amazing.
And it feels good too.
It does. It feels absolutely stunning. And dash charging is still here as well.
Dash charging is still here.
I think the most impressive thing is the price. You guys might make something like this and the price is still cheap.
Exactly. Yeah.
I was actually thinking, I was theorizing that this is going to be at 600.
A lot of people were thinking that because of the larger screen.
Because I know what it is. The OnePlus 3 started at 300, OnePlus 5 started at 500.
There was a starting trend.
Maybe it's going to be 600, 700 to OnePlus 7.
But they did a really good job.
They did. It looks really nice. The display, I have to say, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Is there a video where you can show off the notch being covered in the video? How is the notch going to work in videos?
I don't actually really know that because I haven't really tested it. But I know that you put in a landscape mode, it automatically does it. So you won't really notice it there. But yes, I believe there is something here where you can...
Let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Pinch to zoom. So if you can pinch the zoom for me. Okay, so you don't even realize the notch
don't
is still
really
there.
realize
They don't.
there at all.
I was like, where the hell's the notch gone? That was actually pretty good. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
They've
this
thought
is
of
fun.
everything on this one.
This is actually good.
It's actually, in my opinion, they did a real good job
They
on this
did.
one. Because they cater to basically everything that we like as users. So,
Yeah. And with the on-screen navigation, I know there's some off-screen navigation. Can you show me the off-screen navigation for this?
So you want this isn't set up to it. So let's see if we can do it somehow. So here are your options. So they've compared to those, they've added a couple more to choose from. Should we try some?
Yeah, let's try some. Let's go for some. Let's try, three-finger screenshot, double tap to wake, and the navigation button. Let's turn them off if we can as well in the button section.
All right, let's do it. Oh, my bad.
Here we go. Add navigation gestures.
And these were the gestures we're talking about swiping up and swiping back and forth.
So how did it work to go to the recent apps, to the overview? How would you do that?
Good question.
I saw that, and Carl was explaining you can do the left and right.
Yeah,
You'll
so
go back.
basically you would swipe up like this to go back to home, and you would swipe from here. I don't know, I haven't really tried actually.
But that's one thing I was curious about. I was trying to figure out how do you get to the recent view.
Yeah.
Because he didn't explain that very well.
No, he didn't.
On the presentation.
Yeah, maybe we can get somebody to ask us. Let's see. Because I haven't played with it at all. This is actually the first time I get to play with
Here
it.
we go. That's it.
So you hold it down and up?
Basically, very similar to how the iPhone 10 is in some ways.
Yeah, copy.
But I don't like iPhone.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
I'm still
what you
actually
did-
mesmerized by the display.
The display is pretty cool. It's pretty nice.
It is.
But it's like 3 fingers you play it in?
Screenshots, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is obviously running on the latest version of Android 8.1.
8.1, yeah.
And it's getting the Android preview of P.
Yes. Which you can download through the website.
Great
Let's
stuff.
try it again.
We can straight away install Android P.
What?
We can install the P beta straight
Beta
away.
version of the Android P from the website. Yeah. Oh, my bad.
Someone's been using Snapchat.
Somebody's been using Snapchat, I guess. I thought they were in retail mode, but
It is really nice.
let's try this one.
High navigation. Okay, so this one is like a fixed thing, so whenever you want to use it, I think it works like this. Oh, here we go, that's it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you want to swipe up, show it. So you want to get back, lock it back into place. Probably there's some little trick to it, but
Yeah.
and this is using Gorilla Glass 5.
Gorilla Glass 5, yeah.
I'm curious to know though, why did you guys choose glass?
Oh, that was basically for communication purposes. Connectivity was a lot better with glass than with ceramics, and the looks were good. But it had to be durable, basically. There were some concerns about that it might break easily with glass, and that's why they came up with Gorilla Glass 5, which basically is armor for your phone. So, yeah. It looks good.
It does look good.
It feels good. I thought it would be slippery. It really isn't slippery.
No, it's not.
I can't wait like to try out slow mode.
Yeah, exactly. That's another thing I wanted to talk about. Slow-mo. So slow-mo, is it straight away out of the box you can choose slow-mo?
Yeah, I believe so.
So how do we get to this? Oh, okay, here we go. Slow motion. Fantastic.
And you can choose it up there.
240, 480 frames. There we go. 720p as well.
720.
That's
That's 60
great.
frames a second.
I mean, I can't really do a proper example of this. No one's going in slow-mo, but...
Sorry, so we're going to have to wrap that up, sure.
Sure. Let's have a look at this. Okay, that's pretty cool. The fact that you can do it up to a whole minute and change it anytime you want.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate that.
No problem.